So I'm going to make some pumpkin soup right here today. Really simple to make. We've got some curry powder in there, so it's nice and spicy. I've smoothed it out with some coconut milk. It's delicious, easy, healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So pumpkin. I've got roughly four cups of cubed cut pumpkin. Couple of cups there of potato. Just over a cup there of carrot. Just under a cup, well roughly a cup actually, of onion. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of a curry powder, and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. So we're going to need a large pot, and in my pot there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a corn oil. You could use a different oil if you want. The heat is on. 2 teaspoons of the cumin seeds, in they go. We're then going to add the onion, the pumpkin, the potato, and the carrot. Now you can really play around with the amounts. It's all very rough what I gave you earlier on. You know, 4 or 5 of the cups of the pumpkin, 2 or 3 of potato, 1 or 2 of carrot. You can really adjust that how you want or with what you have. I'm now going to add salt and black pepper. And what we're going to do is, on this above medium heat, you know, fairly lively heat we're on here, we're going to go for about 4 or 5 minutes. I'll be giving it a stir every now and then. Very, very easy, this one. Absolutely nothing to it, this one, and it really is delicious. Okay, we're now going to add 1 tablespoon garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two. If you don't have it, you can just chop some ginger and garlic in there, and a tablespoon of a curry powder of your choice. I'm going to give that a little mix. And then we're going to add some liquid. Now I'm just using water. If you want, you can use some form of stock. So just for me, water. And enough just to cover it over. There's probably 2.5 pints there. Very simply, we're going to bring that to the boil. We're going to let it go for maybe 8 or 9 minutes. We want to get all those vegetables really nice and soft. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat, and that's all nice and soft. What you want to look for is the carrots. The carrots are actually be the hardest. Now, we're going to liquidize this. Now, I've got one of these fellas that go in. We can just do it in the pot if you haven't got one of these. But then you should get one, really. They're really cheap. I use it all the time. You can do it in a food processor or something. So I'm going to get that in, whiz it up, and come back. I'll spare you the noise of it. And then you can look at the consistency. I'm still going to be adding some coconut milk to this, but you can have it really thick. This is going to be quite thick. Or you can add some water if you don't want to add the coconut milk. Okay, so you can see the consistency of that. You might want it just like that, and you can have it just like that, but I'm going to add 2 more things. I've got some cilantro, coriander, whatever you call that, and it goes chopped. And then I've got a pint here of coconut milk. Now check this for salt and pepper. It's going to be good for me. I'm going to give that 1 mix here. I think the coconut milk in there really smooths it out. It's really, really beautiful and delicate. And that's it, job done. What a beautiful, easy soup. All right, and there you go. I've just topped that off with a few more cumin seeds. Absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. Do the old subscription thing, thumbs up, give us a comment if you like. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. we're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.